Today we are making the South Indian vegetable kurma, which is a subtly spiced mixed vegetable curry that's perfect with rice, roti or even idli and dosa. Let's begin by grinding the base. Soak some poppy seeds in water for a few minutes. Add some cashews, green chili, ginger, garlic, the soaked poppy water and some fennel seeds to a blender. Grind to a smooth paste and set it aside. Now take a large pan and heat some oil. Then add the whole spices and fry for a few seconds. Then add the curry leaves, chili, ginger and garlic, onions and some salt and saute until the onions turn golden brown. Then add the pureed tomatoes and fry until the mixture becomes a thick paste. Add the turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder and cook out the spices for a couple of minutes. Add some diced mixed veggies. I'm using potatoes, carrots, green beans and peas. Squash and root veggies will also work well in this curry. Mix well with the onion and tomato paste. Add some water and bring to a boil. Cover with a lid and cook on medium heat for about 10 or 15 minutes or until the veggies are well cooked. Add the ground paste and some coconut milk. Mix well and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Adjust for seasoning if required. Garnish with some cilantro leaves and serve hot. This kurma tastes great with pretty much any carb you can imagine. I hope you give this a try. Enjoy!